Dear students, in the last video I explained simple division and the verification of division. That division you already learned in the class 4th also, and the verification of division I explained in the last video. If you have any kind of doubt, then please ask me on the software, or you can message me personally on my WhatsApp number also. Okay, if you got any kind of doubts, then otherwise please do your work. It will be very helpful for you whenever schools reopens. So in this video now I am going to explain the division of large numbers. What in case if we need to divide a large number by a 2-digit number, a larger number, just like 4949 divided by 49, 82,900 divided by 50, 73,150 divided by 77, this kind of large numbers. So division of larger numbers. Okay, so how to divide larger numbers? First question, 4,949 divided by 49. Dear students, whatever I am explaining in this video, listen it very carefully. Listen it very carefully and try to understand what I am trying to explain. If you got any doubt, then ask me again. I will explain again. Once more I will explain, once, twice, but please try to understand. Okay, so solution of A, that we need to divide 4,949 by 49. What we will do, first step, in rough work we will write the table of 49. As I written, we can write the table of 49. Okay, everyone can write table of any digit, any number. The easier method I will explain whenever school reopens. I will explain how to write tables quickly, but for now you can write your own how to write tables. So write the table of 49 in rough work as I written. That is the rough work, no need to show in fair, but I written the table of 49. Okay, so now the first digit is 4, that is smaller than 49, so we will take 2 digits together, that is 49, and that is equals to, we cannot take a smaller digit, a smaller number, so we will start with 2 digits at a time. So this 49 is completely divisible by 49 for one time, because 49 1 ja 49. Okay, so I written 1 there, then 49 there, 49 1 ja 49, that will come down, then 49 minus 49, that will be 0, 0. Okay, so now this 4 will come along with 00. Okay, but if I will write only this 4, only that 4, then what I get, that this 4 is smaller than this 49. This 4 is smaller than this 49. The 4 is smaller than the divisor. So I cannot divide this 4 by 49. So I will write this 9 also with 4. But when we write 2 digits together, then there we need to put 1 0 in the quotient. Listen it carefully. Here first I written 4, but I got that this 4 is smaller than 49. This 4 is smaller than 49. So we need to write this 9 also with 4. So now this is 49. But whenever we are writing 2 digits together downside, then we need to put a 0 in the quotient. Understood? So now I written 0 in the quotient. This 9 comes down. This 49 again, it is completely divisible by 49 for one time. 49 1 ja 49 again, and then 49 minus 49, that will be 0. Understood? So our answer will be 101. That is our answer, and remainder is 0. So that was the division by 49. 4,949 divided by 49. I will repeat again what I have done. This 49, first I will take these 2 digits together. At the start we can take as much digit as we want. Okay, so at the start I taken 2 digits together, because this 4 is smaller than 49, so I need 2 digits. So 49 divided by 49 will be 1 time. 49 1 ja 49, then subtract, I got 0 0. Then this 4 will come down, but this 4 is smaller than 49. I am repeating again, this 4 is smaller than 49. So I will write 9 also with the 4, the next digit, that is 9. That also I will write with 4, and then we need to put 1 0 in the quotient. And afterwards, now again I will divide this 49 by 49. Again I got that 49 1 ja 49, and then 0. Understood? So in this question, this table was not so much helpful, but still you can write. Still it is better to write table of divisor in the rough work. That will be useful in the next questions. See, what is the next question? 82,900 divided by 50. 82,900 divided by 50. So how to divide 82,900 by 50 is, first I will take 82. 82. These 2 digits, these are larger than 50, so I can take 82. So see in the table, 51 ja 50, 52 ja 100. So this 100 we cannot take because 100 is greater than this 82. This 100 is greater than 82. So just before 100, what we got? 50. So that is 51 ja 50 I will write. This 82 is not divisible by 50. So I will take a digit smaller than 82. Okay, smaller than 82. That we have done in the previous divisions also. It is similar. Whenever we are dividing larger number, smaller number, the method will not change. Okay, nothing will be changed. If 82 is not divisible by 50, so we will take a smaller digit. Okay, so a smaller digit we will take 50. So one time, then 50, 82 minus 50, after subtraction we will get 32. And this 9 now will come along with 32. So now our number is 329. 329. So this 329 is divisible by 50 for 6 times. How many times? 6 times. Why? See, 50, 1 ja 50, 52 ja 100, then 150, then 200, then 250, then 300, and then 350. So this 350 is larger than 329. So I cannot take 350, so I will take 300. And this 300 comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 6 will be written there, 300 will come here. After subtraction, we will write 29. And then this 0 will come downside. Now what number we got? 290. See, is 290 is in the table of 50? No. 290 is not divisible by 50. So what we will do? Again we will take a smaller digit. What is the smaller digit? See, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, and then 300. So we cannot take 300. So just before 300, that is 250. So that 250 we will take there. This 250 will come 5 times. So 50 5 are 250. Then after subtraction, we will get 40. Then this 0 again will come down. Now what is the number? 400. So number is 400. So 400 comes 8 times. We can see that 400 is in the table of 50. It is completely divisible by 50. That comes 8 times. So we will write 8 there, then 400, then subtraction, and then 0. So this is the complete division. Okay, now we don't have any more digits. So now our division is over. So what is our answer? 1658. That is our answer. See one more. The third question is 73,150 divided by 77. Okay, so what is, how to divide this number now? 77. So first we check for one digit, 7 is smaller than 77, then 73. Still these two digits are also smaller than 77. This 73, if we take two digits, we cannot take because 73 is also smaller than 77. So we will take 3 digits together. We can take 3 digits. As I told at the start, we can take as much digit as we want. Okay, so this 7 we cannot take, this 73 also we cannot take these two digits because 73 is smaller than 77. So we will take 731. 731, that will comes 9 times. How many times? 9 times. So see, 731, is 731 is coming in the table? No. So what we will take? This is 693, because after 693 the number is 770. The 770 is greater than 731, so we cannot take 770, so we will take 693. That 693 is smaller than 731, that we can take. So that will come 9 times. We will subtract. After subtraction we will get 38. Then this 5 will come down. What is the number? 385. Is this 385 is divisible by 77? Yes. It is coming 5 times. How many times? 5 times. So 5 times this 385. So we will write 5 there, and then 385 and then 0. But in this question now, this 10 is left. Of this number, this 10 was left. So this 0 will come down, and then as we know that this 0 is not divisible by 77, so we will write 10 and then our division will be over. See, after the completion of division 10 was left, so as 10 was left, so we will write 10 in the cosine also. Okay, so that is our complete division. Okay, see on the next question, that was 41,331 divided by 69. So again you can see that this 4 we cannot take because it is smaller than 69. 41 also we cannot take because 41 is also smaller than 69. So we will take 3 digits together, that is 413. Now check whether 413 is divisible by 69, is coming in the table of 69 or not? No. 414 is coming, 413 is not divisible. So we will take just one digit before 414, that is 345. So I have taken 345 and answer I written there this time. Okay, so 5 times. This 345 I have taken, and this 345 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So I written 5 there. So 69 5s are 345. 13 minus 5, that will be 8, and then 10 minus 4, that will be 6. We have done subtraction. 68 we got, and then this 3 will come along with 68. Now the number formed is 683. 683. Check, this 683 is in the table of 69 or not? No, it is not there. So what we will take? A digit that is smaller than 683, just smaller than 683. So that is 621. Because after 621 there is 690. We cannot take 690 because 690 is greater than 683. So we will take 621. So 621 will come there, and it is coming for 9 times. So I will write 9 there, and then there I will write 621, and we will subtract. After subtraction I will get 62. 3 minus 1 2, 8 minus 2 6, and 6 minus 6 is 0. So 62 is the digit, the number that I got after subtraction, and then this 1 will come down. This 1 I will write there. Now the number formed is 621. 621. That again we can see that 621 is coming for 9 times. So again I will write 9 there, 621 there, and then 0. Understood? That is our complete division, and answer is 599. So this was the topic, how to divide large numbers. What are the steps? First step, we should write the table of divisor, the table of divisor, and then we will follow the same steps that we have done for the division in the smaller number. Same thing we will do in the division of larger number also. Nothing new, but still if you have any kind of doubt, then please ask me again. I will explain once, twice, thrice again, but please ask. If you will ask, then I will explain. Okay, dear students, thank you, and write these all questions, all the 4 questions in your favorite notebook also. Okay, thank you.